So control structures. A control structure is like a block of programming that analyzes variables and chooses a direction in which to go based on given parameters. So ang control structure daw kay block siya sa building sa programming nga nag-analyze sa mga variable nga pilion or direction mag-base ang mga gihatag nga parameters. The term flow control detail the direction the program takes. So ang term daw sa flow control nga details kay direction para ma-program takes, which way nga program ma-control ang flow niya. So kani siya ang control sa flow, like flow chart, ma-control niya yan. A3 so muna yan 3 basic structure. Almost all flowchart created purpose of solving a problem are made of 3 basic structure, namely to make a power of flowchart really absolute. These 3 structure had be stitched together as one. So kanitong mga power of flowchart kay really absolute daw at 3 ay siya 3 na nag-stitch bali nag-uban as one. Although the linear structure can work alone a little mile longer, the rational loop structure are a little bit tied up and restrict. So ang one daw ang linear structure kay nag-work siya alone and little mile longer. The relational and loop structure are the little bit tied. So ang relational daw loop kay bali na little bit bali na hikot sila og na restrict. So muna ang tulo linear, relational, or selection or loop. Linear structure. So ang linear structure kay is nothing more than a showing sequential execution or processing statement logical described in the flowchart. So ang linear structure daw kay wala daw siya showing of sequential execution or processing statements daw. Di siya mag-show og sequential pag-execute o pag-process statement as logically described in the flowchart. So dili daw. Linear construction sometimes contain a process that do not require evaluation or branching out control and therefore can stand independently without others. So ang linear construct daw ay sometimes nga contain siya process nga dili nag-require og evaluation or mag-branching out sa pag-control ug makastand po siya independently nga wala ang uban. Muna ang linear structure. So ang next kay naglagman sheesh. So linear structure yapon. So draw a flowchart and enter through the keyboard that display your sum of the screen. So kibali mo na yung flowchart kung mukha tag linear structure. So algorithm niya kay let us take a step to deal with this step. So one is define a container for variable. So ang for the first value. Number 2, define B as container or variable for the second value. Define S as container or variable for some of the first second values. So for number 4, get the value of A and B, and B compute the sum by adding the first A and the second number B value, and number 6 is display sum on the screen. So muna ang linear structure, mali isa ra siya. Okay, 7. So muna ang linear structure. Sama na siyang linear structure na uy sobraan sobra. Step 1 is pangitaon sa natong kan. So A equals 0, then step 2 is B equals 0 and S is 0. So these steps tell computer to create a container A, B, and S and initialize it to 0. So ikuan siya sa 0. So step 4 is input A and B. contain siya og kuan A and B from the keyboard mo input. Then step 5 is S equals A plus B. So ang machine kay mag-compute og A and B and ibutang na to ang S dira. So step 6 i-display na nimo ang S. Kay S magipangita. So ang machine mag-display og screen na nag-sum na siya sa container sa duha nga S. So S na ang kuan answer. So stop na siya. Mo na ang linear structure. Next is relational structure. A diamond symbol in flowchart is used to indicate the conditional path. A question which is in the form of logical comparison is placed inside the aforesaid shape or for evaluation. The appropriate step placed on their path, if any, are executed depending on the outcome of the test, which could lead to either true or false answer. So ang relational niya kay nagkuan siya kuan sa diamond siyang kuan sa diamond sa flowchart used na indicate ang conditional path. Kung magkuan siya sa question, kung kuan ang form, kung logical comparison ba siya sa isa ka lugar, like inside the aforesaid shape of for evaluation, og the appropriate step place their path. So dagat na appropriate nga place niya sayang pulungan. So if any executed depending on outcome, itong triangle ay kanang kuan diamond siya na siya kuan magkuan siya sa duha, true or false ang answer. So mura ginani ba kung na example to dre. Inani na mo ni siya kanang na-test. Di ba? Sobraan po kayo mana siya. Sorry kung lag ang cellphone. So loop structure. So what is loop structure? Most program would keep doing series of instruction over and over until certain condition occur. So ang most program daw keep siya series of instruction over and over. So masag nag-loop, magbalik-balik para ganing loop structure gani. Condition occur. This action for performing repetitive task, so balik-balik kid kay loop man, is known as loop. A Lewis structure most control is to terminate and certain point which certain condition is met. So mo na siya, balik-balik ang iyang structure. For example, this is loop, infinite loop. So ano to infinite loop? So again, the infinite loop when execution step is repeatedly done without let up, without definite ending point. So wala siya ending, kaya infinite man siya. To illustrate this kind of endless procedural run, let us reconsider our previous flowchart example. Tag it as figure 3 to 8, which show infinite loop exists in a flowchart. So muna siya. Wala na rin example So data science. So what is data science? Data science is combines computer science, statistics, and domain knowledge to extract meaningful insight knowledge from data. So ang data science daw kaya nag-combine siya sa computer science and statistic o domain knowledge na nag-extract sa meaningful nga mga insights o mga kaalaman sa data. It involves techniques that data mining, machine learning, and data visualization. So ang kuan daw nag-evolve sa mga techniques like data mining, machine learning, and data visualization. Muna ang data science. Then cybersecurity. Cybersecurity safeguards computer system, networks, and data authorized access attacks and damage. So cybersecurity daw kay safeguard siya sa computer system, which is mag-protect sa mga network, computer system, and data unauthorized access. So mga attacks ug daw bali siyang mag-secure, hindi makasudong mga kuan. Muna cyber security. It includes an encryption for data security, firewalls for network traffic control, and intrusion detection system for threat identification. So muna yung nagakuan sa cyber security such as firewalls for network traffic control and intrusion detection system for threat identification. So magkuhan siya mo na cyber security, na mag-alarm siya kay na yung mga threat identification, and proactive measure like vulnerability assessment and security training, mitigate risk and protect organization. So ano siya, cyber security. Artificial intelligence, which is AI, enable machines to perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence, such as learning from data problem solving and understanding natural language. AI technology includes machine learning algorithm, neural networks, and expert system. Applications span industry like healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment, revolutionizing how tasks automated and decisions. So, artificial intelligence daw kay kasi sa machine nga magpo-perform task require og tao nga mukha niya. Wala siya computer pero mas same siya sa bright sa kuan sa tao, pero kan siya artificial intelligence, AI siya. Tabang sa ato man artificial intelligence. So next is future trends. The future of computer science shape emerging technology and evolving trends that promise transform industry, society. So ang computer science daw nag-shape siya emerging technology nga evolve sa trends o nag-promise siya sa mag-transform pag industry and society. Quantum computing represent a paradigm shift and computational power, enabling to calculate the beyond capabilities and classical computer. So ang quantum computing daw nag-represent siya paradigm shift nga computational power. So na siya computational power nga nag-calculate beyond sa capabilities sa classical nga computer, so mas high-tech. The internet things like IoT connect everyday object and internet, creating a vast network interconnected device that can share data, outcome, process, and augmented reality. So AR muna siya ang augmented reality. So augmented reality and virtual reality is enhanced user experience overlaying digital information. So ang VR daw mo siya tinuod nga experience pero gamit siya digital, mo siya reality ba na reason lang ko virtual reality. And biocomputing explore that intersection biology and computer science, using biological material and process develop new computing paradigm and technology. So daghan na gimit kanon kay future trends naman ta, taas naman ang generation. And next is end of the discussion. Salamat sa paminaw and thank you.